Hello, Weekend Crafter. Welcome or welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and I don't know about you guys, but I've been very busy seeking decor inspirations for Christmas. If this is something that interests you, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. Lately, I've been seeking a lot of this Ralph Lauren Christmas inspiration, and because I don't want to spend too much on decor, I thought of making some with the Ralph Lauren aesthetic in mind. First, let's clean our work area. I use a glass mat which I cleaned with some alcohol. Next, I get a circle with a width of around 3.75 inches. I also got one of my silicone molds of half circles. Then I got my white clay rolled out into the number 3 setting on my roller. I traced the circle onto the flattened clay. Then I remove the excess. I used the excess clay to make some Christmas trees. I have been using this mold for years now, and I still love the tree that this one makes. After pushing the clay into the mold, I get my tissue blade and shave off all the excess clay. I go in with my tissue blade to add more texture. I repeat these steps with 2 more trees that are arranged in varying heights. Next, I make half circles using the silicone mold. I place these half circles around the ornament. To neaten the edges, I got my extruder and pushed out a coil that would go around the disc. Once this gets baked, I get some plaid ribbon and mount this. I really love how this turned out, and I think this would look good hanging on a door. What do you guys think? Thank you for watching. Have a crafty weekend.